And girls, it's Miss Harling. I am showing you a Think Central video from Go Math. I've done that several times in class, so you're familiar with seeing this screen. It's to begin lesson 10.2. If you look in the upper left-hand corner, it says lesson 10.2 AM PM. That's what we're going to be learning next because we finished 10.1. Here is the essential question, which is basically our learning target. How can you tell when to use AM and PM with time? So if we change that a little bit to our learning target, it would be, I can tell when to use AM and PM with time. So we're going to know the difference between the morning and the afternoon.
Hi there. Finn and I were just watching a family play catch with that flying disc over there. The family sure seemed to be having fun. I heard them say that they're going to play again tomorrow afternoon. Finn, did you hear what time the family is coming back? Finn says that the family is going to meet at 3:15. Do you think this time should be written with AM or PM?
All right, she's giving you a hint.
To find out, we'll need to learn which times are written with AM and which times are written with PM. Come on.
So again, they never give us the answer with the introduction of the video, but she did give you a nice hint because they're going at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So which one would make sense to use, AM or PM? If you said PM, you're right. Let's move on.
Here's a problem about time.
All right, it says Lauren's family is going hiking tomorrow at 8 o'clock. How should Lauren write the time to show that they are going in the morning, not the evening? So we know they're going at 8 o'clock. We just have to decide, is that AM or PM? But the hint they gave us is what? That they're going in the morning. So let's unlock the problem.
What do you need to find? How Lauren should write the time. What information is helpful in knowing how to write the time? The problem states that Lauren is hiking in the morning. You can use a number line to show the sequence or order of events. It can help you understand the number of hours in a day. Midnight is 12 o'clock at night. Noon is 12 o'clock in the daytime. The times after midnight and before are written with AM. For example, 6 in the morning is written as 6 o'clock AM. The times after noon and before midnight are written with PM. For example, 6 in the evening is written as 6 o'clock PM. Lauren's family is going hiking at 8 o'clock in the morning. Where would you show this time on the number line?
All right, so they're going to show us, but basically the hint is the morning. You can see in the beginning of this number line, it starts with AM. The end of this number line is purple with PM. So anything in green for AM means that it's happening before noon. So which one do you think Lauren's family will go hiking, 8 AM or 8 PM? Let's see what they show us.
8 o'clock in the morning is after midnight and before noon. How should Lauren write the time her family is going hiking?
All right, so again, why did they circle this line here? Because they had to find where 8 o'clock in the morning belonged. This number line, we know we always begin at 0, so this would be the midnight. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's your 8 o'clock in the morning.
8 o'clock AM. A number line and a clock share some of the same features. Both show time from 12 o'clock to 12 o'clock. But a clock only shows 12 hours at a time. A number line shows 24 hours. And the clock shows both hours and minutes, while the number line only shows hours.
All right, so you'll hear that again on the worksheet. They're going to ask you the difference between this number line and an analog clock.
Here's a problem about time.
All right, it says Callie's family is going for a canoe ride at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. How should Callie write the time? Again, there's your hint, afternoon. Let's unlock.
What are you trying to find? How Callie should write the time. Callie's family is going on the canoe trip in the afternoon. That means they're going afternoon and before midnight. Where does 4 o'clock in the afternoon belong on the number line?
All right, again, here's your number line. The green section is the morning into the late morning before noon, and afternoon is the purple section all the way to midnight. They're going at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so should it be in the green or the purple?
It goes afternoon and before midnight. How should Callie write the time?
All right, again, this is why they circled it, because starting here at noon is the afternoon going into the night, and 4 o'clock belongs there because this would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 o'clock p.m.
4 o'clock p.m.
Okay, where's my cursor? Oh, it's acting funny, guys. Sorry.
The AM hours take place after midnight and before noon. AM includes the morning time. The PM hours start after noon and end before midnight. PM includes the afternoon, evening, and the first part of the night. There are some things you do mostly in the AM hours. There are other things you do mostly in the PM hours. Select all of the activities that you do in the AM hours. Then click Check.
All right, so now we're looking at things that we would do in the morning into the first part of the morning before the afternoon. Would we walk to school? Yes, we would. There's many walkers that go to Martin Road Elementary. We would be doing that in the AM. Would we be eating dinner? I don't think so. Would we walk home from school, meaning school's over? No, it's still the morning, school is still going on. Would we eat breakfast? Yeah. Would we get dressed? Yes, if it's a school day, yeah, we would be getting dressed early in the morning to get ready for school. Would we be asleep? Yes, we would, because before you get ready and eat breakfast and walk to school, you might still be asleep and your parents have to wake you up in the AM to get ready for school. So, do these make sense? Yes, they do. Let's check.
That's right. These are all activities that you do in the morning or AM hours. Now, select all of the activities that you do in the PM hours. Then click Check.
All right, now we're looking at things that we would do in the afternoon leading into the evening. Would we walk to school? No, school's probably closed by now. Would we eat dinner? Yes. Would we walk home from school in the PM? Yes, we would. Would we eat breakfast? Normally, no. Would we get dressed in the afternoon? Well, maybe in the early part of noon if it was the weekend. So we're going to hit no for that, or we're not going to hit that one. And would we sleep? Yes, we would. So walking to school, no. Eating breakfast, no. Getting dressed, no. All the others, yes.
Great. These activities are usually done in the PM hours. Notice that sleep occurs in both the AM hours and the PM hours. This is because you go to bed in the evening and wake up in the morning. This morning, Sam woke up at the time shown on the clock. What time did Sam wake up?
All right. Now we're looking at the long hand, which is, the short hand, which is the hour hand. It's pointing to the 7, but it's not really directly on the 7 because it's not the 7 o'clock hour yet. Boys and girls, it is still 6 o'clock. The reason it's pointing there is because very soon our minute hand will be on the 12 and it will be the 7 o'clock hour, but it is 6. Now let's look at the minute hand again and count from 5s to the nearest minute, which we were doing yesterday for our Go Math. This begins with 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and there's a few minutes after that. It would be 56, 57. So which is the only one that makes sense? 6:57. Again, look at the sentence. Sam woke up at 6:57 a.m.
Correct. The clock reads 6:57. Sam is waking up, which usually takes place in the morning. The morning is after midnight and before noon, which is when we use a.m. So Sam woke up at 6:57 a.m.
Okay, come on over.
Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
Okay, my friends, I'm not doing this. Normally, I try to do this during school in the classroom, but I'm not going to do that. I want to kind of keep it short. Basically, this is the same thing that you will see on your Go Math sheet for lesson 10.2. So you will see these same problems, maybe a little different with the numbers, but the problems are basically going to be written the same that you'll see on the worksheet. I will show that video after this one so that we can do that one together. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I hope this was familiar to you because you've seen it before. Also, I've had some problems with audio, so I turned it up. It might be a little loud. You might have to turn it down because something's going on with this Think Central when I was showing the video. Sometimes it was fading in and out and you couldn't hear the voice of the man talking. I hope you were able to do that or hear that because I did turn up the volume. Anyway, I will be teaching from lesson 10.2 later on. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you later. Bye, guys.